In this video I will be demonstrating this super quick and easy wire wrap for glass vials. This wrap is suitable for any shaped vial with an indented neck below the cork. I have one 8-inch length of 1mm soft copper wire. Leave a couple of inches excess wire and wrap a couple of times around the neck of the vial. Create the bail by bending the wire into a small loop above the cork and then bringing the wire back around the neck of the vial. Cross the wires over at the front. This vial has a longer neck but is made exactly the same way. Trim the wires to approximately 1.5 inches. Use round nose pliers to start coiling the ends of the wires. Trim off a very small amount from the end. Continue to coil the wires. Switch to flat pliers to finish the coils. Thank you for watching. Please join me for my next video.